Adrian remembered the day 10 years ago when he came to growing project named LYRA. He wouldn't want anyone to know about this fact from his past.
Adrian, tell us about your experience as a developer.
For the last 9 years, I've been working with the PHP, Laravel/Symfony, SQL and JavaScript, building high-traffic web applications. I don't just write code, I build systems that solve business problems.
What about AI?
Today, I'm focused on high-velocity development, using AI agents like Cursor, Gemini, and N8N to build faster and more reliably than traditional methods allow. I'm a believer that the best developers today are those who can orchestrate AI to handle the workflow, allowing the human to focus on architecture, UX, and business conversion.
Please deep dive into your 4 key projects.
AI-powered marketing与 revenue platform.
This website is a revenue engine. I designed and integrated an AI-driven system to personalize landing pages and conversion funnels in real time. This involved GPT API prompting for dynamic content generation. By integrating post-hog analytics and automated manual testing via browser stack, I ensured that every visitor persona saw a tailored version of the site. For the business, this meant higher conversion rates and lower bounce rates because the platform learned what worked for each user.
2. Multi-store e-commerce platform.
I worked on one of Europe's largest deal platforms, handling over 100,000 daily visitors. I managed a massive stack involving Laravel and BigQuery, while ensuring the front-end, Vue.js, worked too. Scale is the ultimate test. I implemented TDD and managed CI/CD via Kubernetes. This allowed the business to expand into multiple European countries with a stable, high-performance infrastructure that could handle massive traffic spikes without crashing.
3. Rebranding and AI multi-agent orchestration.
I replaced a legacy site with a modern TypeScript, React, SUPA-based stack. Besides implemented N8N orchestrator that managed multiple AI agents, like Claude and Grok, for data gathering and treatment. I transformed a static presence into an intelligent, data gathering machine. By using AI agents for network data orchestration, I automated tasks that would have previously required a large manual team. It moved the business from slow and manual to automated and intelligent.
4. Daily rental integration and management system.
I built a property management system, PMS, and channel manager, CM, from scratch. Because not all rental platforms have APIs, I developed an AI auto account checker using Python and browser automation libraries to scrape and update data. For a rental business, overbooking is a nightmare. My system unified distinct platforms into one dashboard, providing real-time calendar syncing and financial reporting. It turned a chaotic, manual process into a streamlined, automated business operation.
Why are you the perfect fit to work in LYRA?
Looking at your requirements for a full-stack developer, here is how I will bring immediate value to LYRA. Modern stack. My portfolio is built on custom PHP, Laravel, and React or Vue. I thrive in custom environments where performance is the priority, not just plug-and-play solutions. Funnels. My work on the AI-powered revenue platform directly mirrors your need for high-performing sales funnels. FE. I understand how to slice Figma designs into pixel-perfect, fast-loading pages. AI-assisted workflow. You are looking for someone with an AI focus. I am already using Cursor, GitHub Copilot, and AI agents in my daily workflow to increase output and quality. And I don't just use AI, I orchestrate multi-AI instruments. E-commerce experience. With my experience in Shopify, BigQuery, and custom-coded systems, I can jump into your complex hosting setups and multiple server environments without a learning curve. The proactive mentality. My experience as an entrepreneur and project manager means I think about the business goal before I think about the code. I am a resident of Mermaid City metropolitan area, and I am very comfortable with the required time zone overlap. I'm looking for a team that values speed, creativity, and clean code, and I believe LYRA is that team. Thank you. Subscribe to channel.